Or maybe it is a boat. I bet that's their guy fucking off.
Right there.
Ultra One,
Ooh.
you've got hostile reinforcements incoming.
Oh, I found him!
Enemies
Nice.
I don't know
Nice.
how
Yeah.
I did that.
There's one more on the left. Actually, there's two up there. One's up high, one's down low.
Got him.
You got the guy in the aquatic?
Yeah, Park's down. I actually sniped him before the airstrike could kill him.
Oh.
What was that?
Behind your bar. There's,
Are they still on the roof?
there's three over there,
Fire
looks like.
station.
Can you ping it?
Right there. Right there. And then one's down low.
You guys
Okay,
want
that's
rush
all.
over with this LTV and LTV.
Your weapons ammo is replenished.
One guy just jumped out from behind.
Down one!
Oh, you did?
I already got it then.
Alright. Yeah, let's go LTV and push those fucks.
I'll drop down once you come over. You're still sniping.
They are.
Come out with your hands up and no one has to get
Someone
Coming
still
around.
has that UAV up, though.
Get the shotguns ready, boys. UAV's down.
Hello.
Shut up.
Bonjour!
Buongiorno! We should run.
Boy ID.
Enemy threat is moderate.
Someone just parachuted down this building.
Someone just
Right here. To the left. Never mind, I'm gonna keep driving.
Oh, guys are on me. You know, can you get the UAV? Y'all just left me there. He's gonna get the UAV. He's looting
One on
my
you
bag.
right now?
On the UAV.
Get him, guys, in the hedges.
He's back in the hedges. He's got a
They're on
shotgun
me.
just like
They're on
ours,
me.
by the way.
Push him.
Another one parachuting.
Right here. Two coming in.
Two.
Ultra One,
One down.
Ultra One, a squad mate is
Finish him, behind the wall.
fire. Also be advised, killing
Get him, Park, get him.
operators will mark you as
There's
bounty
two up.
target.
Oh my god!
Son of a
Oh,
bitch.
that's disgusting.
One more will put a contract on your head.
See if I can see anybody.
Dude, you're fucking brutal!
There's a bounty contract on your head.